time to get some coffee. Today was a productive day. I'm already catch up with all my work, so it was time to get out and explore. Surprisingly, it's not raining and we even got some sunshine today. I know I said that I hate the Starbucks, but it was the only place around. And yeah, it's not raining, but it's really cold today. I think today has been the coldest day so far, about 8 degrees. Now that I noticed, the girl didn't know how to write my name. Lucas is one of the most common names in the world, and yeah, she didn't properly get it. She was way too off. Who writes Lucas with an X? I think I would have accepted a K or double C, but never an X. You can see that the sky is not that grey as other days. You can see the light blue. So the idea for today is to see the Euromast, see the Het Park, see the Nordic church, and end where we started last time, close to the Veerhaven. So this is the Het Park, and basically inside the park or on the park perimeter you can find the Euromast or the Nordic church. During the winter it gets really cold and those lakes freeze and people skate there. You can also walk on ice if you want. Okay, so we're almost there. Maybe you cannot see it very well because of the trees. There are multiple things that you can do at the Euromast. For example, you can spend the night there. It costs about 400 euros for 2 people. Yeah, it's really expensive, but I think you'll get a really amazing view. There's also a restaurant, a museum. You can do rappel. That means you will descend with the rope from the top. And of course there's the viewing point. I don't know how they fit so many things in just one place. Okay, so I didn't know, but the rope descent, it's called Abseil, and it's the tallest in Europe. So all the people that you saw there queuing, they are actually going to the top. This one is probably one of the attractions that closes the latest. I didn't know that it closes that late. It closes about 10 in the evening. I was really curious because most attractions closes at 4 or 5. So now I'm heading to the Nordic church. There are a few reasons why I want to go there. One of them being that they probably have hot wine called blue wine. And the other one is that maybe they have some Nordic waffles with some Nordic cheese. But I don't know if it's going to be open. I don't see any lights on. Damn it, I think it's closed. There's a chance that they only do that during the Christmas market. Oh yeah, there they have the times. So I'll have to come back. So yeah, I'll come back. They usually put some stands there and they sell hot dogs, they sell waffles, and they also sell blue wine. It's really cool. It's a small and there's not that many people, so it's nice to visit. And they sell some traditional Nordic goods, for example sweaters. They sell scarves, souvenirs, stuff like that. But I think the most interesting thing is the waffles with the jam and the Nordic cheese. The cheese is reindeer cheese, and it's really interesting. It's nothing that you have tried before, I can assure you. So I'll come back in a couple of days and show you what it's all about. In a really beautiful summer day, this is full of people. They are just here making picnics, making barbecues, just chilling, sunbathing. This area that you see here is full of mansions. Really big houses that probably no one can pay. And I'm saying that because most of them belong to companies like brokers, lawyers. That might be something to think of. By the way, the park has some cafes and restaurants, but tonight it's pizza night. So I'll get some pizza when I'm back home. How do you know it's rush hour and Friday in Rotterdam? Look at the traffic. That's how you know. The Netherlands has really good public transport, so most of the times I don't see any reason why you should take your car. And I swear the public transport here is perfect. It works really well and you don't need a car. Okay, let me show you something. This is Rotterdam. That's the New York, and that's the Erasmus Blue. All places that we have visited before. So yeah, now you get to see them from a different angle. Let me show you the houses. So yeah, look at them. They are really nice. I was thinking about tonight's pizza. I think I'll do pepperoni. This looks like an old American dinner. Actually, I don't know if it resembles an American dinner, but the building looks cool. And there it is, the Veerhaven. I want to check out the view before I continue. There you have the old ships. That's the tallest building in the Netherlands, by the way. They finished it quite recently, I think 1 year ago or so. Just to make you laugh, an apartment at the top floor, it's about 4 million euros. I can't believe this traffic. Everything is blocked. When I told you about the nice houses, we were in the other side, and now we are in this side. Okay, so I'll show you some of the mansions or big houses. This one is really nice. Let me get closer. It's like a fortress. There's no way in. So yeah, this one is real estate. And the one we saw before was some events related thing. I think when I said brokers before, I meant real estate. I think they are the same thing. I think a house like that should be a museum nowadays. No, just a building for a company. And I would find really weird to believe that that house was real estate, a real estate company, its whole existence. Okay, and here's another one, but this one is open. I'll try to make a photo. And this one is basically lawyers and notary. So I think now you know where the money is. Notary, lawyers, real estate, event planning. This is insane, it never ends. I can't believe all this is traffic. I think there was an accident or some car is blocking the way, maybe a mechanic problem. But I just can't believe this is just traffic. Even the tram is stuck. Now I'm really curious. I want to find the source of it. It doesn't look like there was an accident. I think it's just a traffic jam. But it's insane. All the side streets are also full of cars. I think at this point I already feel sorry for them. Look, it comes all the way from there. Okay, so I just had an idea. Drinks are cheaper in the supermarket rather than on the pizzeria. So I'm just going to get a Coca-Cola here. It's going to be way cheaper. Probably at least €1 cheaper. So I was thinking on taking the tram, but my guess is that the tram is going to get stuck in traffic. So at this point it's better to walk a few blocks and take the metro. Yeah, trams have like a 20 minutes delay. It's probably even more. That's the problem with buses and trams. If the traffic collapses, they are also fucked. The best way to travel is the metro or the train. Those never get stuck. Okay, so I'm almost there. Metro station is just 1 block away. So I guess I'll call it a day.